Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Herlina as movie reviewer. Good to see you. Today, I want to, according to topic movie The Guardian of Galaxy Volume 3 2024. Alright, today in Sunday, I will explain about my perception according to movie The Guardian of Galaxy Volume 3 2024. First of all, let me give a question. What do you know about the space, galaxy, Andromeda, or something else? Even you've seen the movie with cinematic galaxy before? Alright. Here I will discuss about sequel of movie with genre heroes from Marvel Cinematic Studios. The movie is Guardian of Galaxy Volume 3. This movie production start from 2012 as a sequel of genre heroes from Trilith Studio, and this movie was released in the United States of Way 5 2023 as part of Phase 5 of Marvel Cinematic Universe or MCU. Okay, move to a synopsis of The Guardian of Galaxy Volume 3, The Galaxy Guardians. The last film in the Guardians trilogy is Volume 3. Adam Warlock, a formidable creature created by an organization known as the Sovereigns, attacks the Guardians, cause at the start of the story, Rocket suffers severe injuries as a result of this assault. In order to save Rocket, the Guardian discovers that he has a death suit inside of him that stops medical professionals from assisting him. To find a code that will disable this kill switch, they must visit a location known as Orgo Corp. They encounter various obstacles and make good new friends and foes along the road. Rocket is ultimately spared, but Peter Quill, Star-Lord, chooses to go back to Earth in order to be his family again. Together, the other Guardians enjoy with new experiences. This film over as satisfying wrap up to the Guardians saga by using humor, action, and poignant moments. Okay.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm Star-Lord. I formed the Guardians. Met a girl, fell in love. That girl died, but then she came back. Came back a total dick.
Oh, please. He left out some important information, but that is the gist of it.
I get the same old dreams, same time every night. Fall to the ground and I wake up.
My sacred mission is to create the perfect society.
He didn't want to make things perfect. He just hated things the way they are.
I want you all to know that I'm grateful to fight beside my friends.
Incinerate them.
We were always searching for a family until we found each other.
Are you ready for one last ride?
We'll all fly away together.
Into the forever and beautiful sky.
Whoever it was that you were in love with, it sounds more like her.
Her? That's ridiculous.
Do not bring me into this.
Knock it off!
What?
Just never noticed how black your eyes were.
They were replaced by my father as a method of torture.
He picked a pretty set.
Okay, theme of lose and redemption as superheroes movie Guardians of Galaxy have a timeless of them, and it will be different with other genre of Galaxy superheroes. Characters are set by the proven personal use and that each Guardian has endured. For instance, Gamora battled her complex connection with Thanos, while Peter Quill Star-Lord deals with the death of his mother in order to overcome their past and discover a sense of belonging inside their fictitious family. Okay, this theme exhorts the protagonists to help one another. Okay, we move to literary aspect number 2, character development and dynamic. With its deep character development, the movie shows how the Guardian change as a result of their relationship with one another. Since Rocket's role, the manner conceals several emotional score. From this background, the relationship between characters like Rocket and Groot stress of friendships and loyalty. Their connection are defined by the contrast between Gamora's complexity and Rex's simplicity, which also makes their partnership more interesting. Alright, we move to the next section. We're talking about the cultural element from the Guardian of Galaxy Volume 3. There are 4 points. According to cultural element 1, exploration of family and community, the value of family, both biological and chosen in emphasis throughout the movie. The Guardian serves as a metaphor for an adult family illustrating themes of support, sacrifice, and loyalty. This is in line with a wider societal perception of contemporary families, in which links are forged by common experiences rather than customarities. And two, critique of authority and power. The high evolutionary persona serve as a critique of those in position of authority who aim to dominate others. His determination to use hard experimentation to establish a perfect society serves as a reminder of the various or unbridled power and the ethical ramification of deifying the concerns about authority and the moral obligation that accompany it. Okay, next, almost over. Themes of trauma and healing through broadcast narrative, which exposes history of abuse and experimentation. The movie explores issue of trauma, cultural and understanding of mental health concerns, and the significance of resolving reservist trauma for recovery and personal development is reflected in this picture. Number 4, the last, nostalgia for past eras in giving previous film references to 70s and 80s cultures. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 also continues to rely on nostalgia, especially from the 1990s, by appealing to viewers' pleasant recollection and fostering a sense of intergenerational connection. This nostalgia is conveyed through musical selection, dress, and visual aesthetic. 6, alike, we change to social issue imply of movie Guardian of Galaxy Volume 3. First, familial abuse and trauma by emphasizing the painful experiences of its characters. The movie explores the issue of familial abuse. Raccoon is a victim of the high evolutionary and experimentation, while Gamora and Nebula were broke up by the violent Thanos. This depiction shows how this kind of abuse can.
We were gone for quite a while. But no matter what happens next, the galaxy still needs its guardians.
Hello, we come in peace.
Come on, Drax. Seriously, dude?
No! Ow!
Don't forget where we came from.
We have been running our whole lives.
Pete, I'm done running. We'll all fly away together. One last time. Into the forever.
beautiful sky. And we'll kill anyone who gets in our way.
No, not kill anyone.
Kill a few people.
Kill no people.
Kill one guy, one stupid guy who no one loves.
Now you're just making it sad.
Okay, theme of loss and redemption as a superheroes movie of Galaxy have a timeless of theme, and it will be different with other genre of Galaxy superheroes. Character are saved by proven personal loss that each Guardian has endured. For instance, Gamora battles her complex connection with Thanos, while Peter Quill, Star-Lord, deals with the death of his mother. In order to overcome their past and discover a sense of belonging inside their fictitious family. This theme exhorts the protagonists to help one another. Okay, we move to literally aspect number 2, character development and dynamics, with its deep character development.
Okay, how about your favorite musical act? Philo, you first.
Britney Spears and Korn.
Good choices.
I gotta go with the man, Garth Brooks.
The Carpenters do not have a single bad song.
Adrian Belew, both solo and his work with King Crimson. What about you, Captain?
Oh, this one's kind of special. Guess they're here.
Well, I can handle this by my lonesome if y'all want to chill.
Nah, it'll go fast if we all do it together. Group, wake up.
Do you ever feel a little sad for them?
Yeah, sure. But these townsfolk can't protect themselves.
On your word, Captain.